In this video, I'll show you how you can verify your age on Roblox. Now, I'm doing it on the PC, but this also works for your mobile phone. It's the same way you do it. What you need to do is you need to go to roblox.com right here. So roblox.com, either on your PC or on your phone. Then log into your account. I'm already logged in right here. Then you should see a settings button in the top right corner. From in here, you're going to click on settings. Now, once you're in here, you should have an option that says verify my age. Now, if I click on it, I have to verify my account first. I need to verify my email address. So you need to do that first if you haven't already done that. Once you verify your email, you will need to click verify my age, and then you need to provide ID. You cannot verify your account in Roblox without providing an ID, so keep that in mind. And basically, that's how you do it. It's really, really simple. You just go to your roblox.com, settings, go verify my age, give them your ID, and they will verify your account. Thanks for watching.